Everybody, Shane Severson here, Legacy Realty. It is Tuesday, so I'm coming to you with this week's Tips Tuesday. You know, I do a lot of investing. I work with a lot of agents that do investing, and the topic comes up about hard money loans. And I know people get very concerned about how they work and how are you able to use other people's money to invest so that you don't need very much money of your own. And so I just wanted to take a quick minute here, a couple minutes, and talk about what a hard money or private money loan is. Now, here's the deal about private money. It's basically from a corporation, a company, somebody, an individual who maybe has a big line of credit or has resources that they loan out, and they're not under standard Fannie or Freddie or all of those lending requirements. So it's very, very different. A lot of hard money or private money loans, a lot of them do not, now some of them do, but a lot of them do not look at your income. They don't look at your job history. They don't care about if you qualify. They don't care about anything when it comes to you. The requirement is all based off of the house that you're buying. Now, I know that's confusing, but basically they don't care about your income and if you qualify. They're loaning on a house that is a great investment because they know that if you foreclose, they get that house. And I'll break that down here in a second. But most of these loans work off of, and their basis of their loan is all underwritten off of the ARV. It's called ARV, which is after repair value. So a lot of those, I just bought a rental this way, but a lot of these loans are based off of, in my case, a rental that I fixed up or a flip that you're going to do. So let me give you some examples. If you buy a $600,000 home, most of these lenders will loan you, let's say, 70%. So they will loan you 70% of any house you buy. So if you buy a $400,000 house, it's worth $400,000, they're going to loan you 70%. If you have the money, they don't care. If you foreclose, they have 30% equity. But most of them, let's say you're buying a house at $600,000, you got some house that was a steal of a deal that somebody had to get rid of quickly, and it's trash, needs a lot of work, and it's not going to sell very easily or readily on the market. You buy it for, let's say, $400,000, and eventually when it's all done, said and done, fixed up, a lot of money put into it, it's going to be worth $600,000. It's as easy, these loans are so easy, it's 70% of the $600,000. So they will loan you, bring to closing, $420,000. So I bought it for $400,000. I'm buying a house at $600,000, worth $600,000. I'm buying it at $400,000. They're loaning $420,000. So at closing, I walk from the table with $20,000 for the fix-up. Now, you could go to Home Depot and get a credit card, fix it up. You can have a contractor that'll partner with you and they'll put all their money in to fix it up. Lots of ways to do this. Or if you just get a really, really good deal, there have been many fix and flips, many houses that I've invested into that I didn't need any money, and in 3 months you make $70,000, $80,000. Happens all the time. It's not completely normal to find a house that good, but all they care about is the 70% of the ARV. Now again, the question always is, why would nobody look at your credit, look at your income, look at all of that? Because if you are walking in with 30% equity, the lender doesn't care. I'd loan you on that. If I look at your numbers and the house is going to be worth that and you're getting it at 70%, if you don't do the work, if you do a really bad job, if you do whatever, you don't make a payment, I foreclose, I have a ton of equity, I fix it up, and I make the money. So that's how these work. But it's a little confusing. Reach out if you have any more questions. But bottom line, what is the house going to be worth when it's done? Take 70% of that, and a lot of hard money, private money lenders will loan you 70%. If you find a great deal, give me a call. I'll hook you up with some people that'll loan you 70%, no questions asked. You'll be in that house and you can make a ton of money. God bless. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, reach out. I'll give you more further detail.